'cause I feel you when I'm with you. It's so right. I know it's right.
And the songbirds keep singing like they know the sky.
When I love you, I love you, I love like never before.
'Cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright.
I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the sky.
And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. I love you
I love you.
like never before.
Like never before. Like never before.
You all sounded great. Each and every one of you. Mikaela, your voice, it's both strong and really vulnerable at the same time. It's just such an interesting voice. I feel like I heard a little nerves from you too today, which is okay. You're 14 years old. The Bundys, your harmonies were gorgeous. You sound like you've been singing together for a while. Based on today's performance, I would lean toward the Bundys, actually.
Mikaela, you're so great, and you're so young. It's such a learning experience to be where you're at in this moment. I mean, a little nervous, but I mean, come on. It's like if she was up there with one other person, it would be nerve-wracking, let alone three. And the Bundys, you guys were super sweet. I could feel the energy of like, no, we're doing this together. Like, it was really graceful.
Mikaela, I bet you were probably that much better in rehearsal than when you came in here and this monster that you're looking at, which is the voice and the coaches and all this stuff. It can be overwhelming, you know. Adam's pants, it's disgusting.
Adam's pants.
The last thing any of us would ever want to do is discourage you from doing this, because this is what you're meant to do.
Thank you.
Thank you, coaches. Kelly, you have the final decision.
Mikaela, the youngest one on my team. You heard her big, powerful voice. She's got this piercing tone.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And at the same time, you can't deny those beautiful family harmonies. So I hate this moment.
Tough decision, Kelly. Who is the winner of this battle?
Okay. I really just want to make sure everyone's ready before I throw you into the lives. And so the winner of this battle is the Bundys.
Congratulations!
We have loved Kelly for forever, so it just like means the world to us.
See you, Kelly!